I feel no one's ever been in this place before. This is hard.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ang ating mga banal na kasulatan sa aklat po ng 1 Thessalonians chapter 4 verse 16 to 17. Ito po ang pagkasabi, The Lord Himself will descend from heaven. Then, we who are alive and remain shall be caught up to meet the Lord in the air. Sa umagang ito ay pag-uusapan po natin ang topic na nagsasabing, It is certain. Sigurado po. Christ will come and it is certain. Alam nating babalik ang ating Panginoong Hesus at sigurado po yan. No? We might not know when it is, but it is certain. Walang sinong nakakaalam kung kailan babalik ang Diyos, pero ang alam ko po, babalik siya upang tayo ay kunin. What is absolutely vital is that we know we are ready at any time for the Lord's return. Maaring babalik siya bukas, maaring babalik siya 1 taon mula ngayon, o 10 taon mula ngayon. But the question is always this, are we ready for Christ coming? Last point po na gusto ko iparating sa inyo, Christ's second coming is as certain as His first. Kung dumating si Jesus Christ dito sa mundong ito, it's sure because it was prophesied by the prophets. And now, He Himself mentioned that He will come back. At dahil sinabi yan ng ating Panginoong Hesus, siya ay babalik. Hindi natin alam kung kailan, but I want to tell you, it is certain, babalik siya. Kaya tayo po'y maghanda sa kanyang pagbabalik. God bless po at magandang umaga.
Pain and hurt, I think will never end. The song speaks words I cannot, and it calms the fears within.